Okay, so why is the fan on down there? Because it's hot up here. And I like to work smarter, definitely not harder. So here's my situation. I believe that I had low Freon. So I had a guy come out, nice dude, a friend, so not like a guy who's trying to rip me off or anything like that. He threw some Freon in there. So then, for whatever reason, it was yesterday, it was very rainy, and nothing really occurred. It was like, it was strange, one of those strange days. So it felt cool, but not real deal. So anyway, he ended up, by the end of the day, it was warm. It's coming out warm, because the temp kind of went up a little bit, and I felt it. So today he comes back, he says, you know, it wasn't a hot day, let's do it right. And retracted some Freon. He said it was down a little bit, but he actually put some more in to compensate it, and now he pulled a little bit back out. So now, again, there was just no thrust. I turn on the AC, I'm downstairs, I'm like, yeah, that thing's been on a long time. Nothing's happening. It's not that warm outside, it's like 76. It was staying at 72 in here, which isn't the norm. And then I'm feeling the vents, that the air vents from the ceiling, right? All these guys. And I'm like, something's not right here. These things have no thrust, no power, whatever. And there's some junk in here, but not really anything. These things do not weigh anything. This is just like a reef. It weighs absolutely nothing. It's not like they crush. These things are hardcore. So I come up here, I pull this off, this air handler, which I think is way too big, to finally take a look inside here. And yeah, this whole thing was iced up. Right now, you can see there's like a little patch up there, a little bit down there. I don't think this thing's really that dirty, so I'm gonna have to call him back, see what he says. I mean, I don't know, is that dirt in there? I'm not really sure. You know, I'm used to car air conditioning systems, but necessarily not this one. Maybe that is dirt on the bottom, possibly. Even though I do change my filters and stuff, you just never know.